She is carrying her suitcase to the room. She is carrying her suitcase to the room. He has collected his room key. He has collected his room key. They are sitting near the hotel window. They are sitting near the hotel window. She has requested an extra towel. She has requested an extra towel. He is arranging his clothes in the closet. He is arranging his clothes in the closet. They have booked a table at the restaurant. They have booked a table at the restaurant. She is checking the bathroom mirror. She is checking the bathroom mirror. He has placed his phone on the desk. He has placed his phone on the desk. They are walking around the hotel garden. They are walking around the hotel garden. She has ordered breakfast from room service. She has ordered breakfast from room service. He is brushing his teeth in the bathroom. He is brushing his teeth in the bathroom. They have enjoyed the hotel breakfast. They have enjoyed the hotel breakfast. She is opening the curtains. She is opening the curtains. He has charged his phone beside the bed. He has charged his phone beside the bed. They are packing their bags for checkout. They are packing their bags for checkout. She has returned the room key. She has returned the room key. He is waiting for a taxi outside. He is waiting for a taxi outside. They have checked out of the hotel. They have checked out of the hotel. She is saying goodbye to the hotel staff. She is saying goodbye to the hotel staff. He has left the hotel with his luggage. He has left the hotel with his luggage.